What's up, guys? So today I'm just gonna do a quick rundown on getting Bart's tank cleaned up, showing you how I do it, the quick little tips. The biggest thing when you have one of these lizards is making sure his husbandry is always good. He always has clean water. His tank is clean. His poop is cleaned up. I always just say, would you want to live in filth? And doing all these things, not only does it make the tank nicer and everything's cleaner, you just feel better about it, right? So that's what we're at. We're gonna get going today. We got Bart here. He's ready to come out. I got his perch, his lamp going. See what he wants to do, but we're gonna get his tank cleaned up. I already did his water, just because I don't want to have I got the door shut in his room, so I just do his water now so I can get open the door and close it and worry about him, because I'm gonna have him kind of out when he's gonna be around and do what he wants to do. But we'll get started. So we'll get opened up. Let me I'll set my phone right here in the thing, like so. Get my phone up. We'll get going. We'll get cleaning things out. I'll show you what I clean with. First thing we'll do, go in, let Bart know I have food up here for him, but when we're all done, he's gonna get to eat. Right now, he's just exploring whenever I take his water out. He kind of goes around. Come on, Bart. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's dry. We'll get some spray. I'll show you guys I clean the sides down. All like little things that I do that make clean the tank easier. Come on, Bubba. You wanna come out? Come on. Always let him know. Let him get a smell on you using that tongue. Then we just get him. Oop. There's my boy Bart. Big handsome boy. Hi, Bubba. Hi, yeah, here. So we'll put you here, let you relax. So you can see I just kind of move around. He's just chilling right now. He'll get up, he'll crawl around a little bit, and he'll explore and all that stuff. But so what I do is, the first thing, I just take my sprayer, pump up a little bit. I just kind of mist the edges of the tank, just so I can use that big towel, wipe it down. Hit the sides a little bit, just to get it damp. Go around, give the substrate a good, give them some moisture in there. Lucky, they poop in their water, so you don't really gotta. The substrate stays pretty clean. I use Reptibark. A lot of people use dirt too. I like the Reptibark just because it's pretty clean. Doesn't get dusty. Lizard stays pretty clean. So give them a little dousing. And I get my paper towels. Come up and I'll wipe down the insides of the tank. Get right in here. Just get it cleaned up a little bit. You'll see the dirt. See how dirty it is. Not bad, but why not clean it? So wipe down. The other side. Just makes it look nice. Wipe this rock off. Move the slate. He's messing stuff up already. Nice paper bag. Here, Bubba. He's already exploring. He's moving around. He's going. He's on the floor. He's pretty good in here. He can't really go anywhere. It's a square room. The only thing that he can do that's a pain in the butt if he gets into is he'll go down into the bottom of the tank, like right here. He can go under it right there. But for the most part, he can't do too much. So I did that. A little scooper. he does have a little bit of a mess in one spot, so I'm just gonna scoop that little piece out. Take the glasses off because they're playing. Right here. Just get some of them dirty wood chips out. That's all I do. Scoop that out. And I'll mix them around a little bit because I did spray it, but when you spray it, see the dust coming up. Mix those wet ones around a little bit, and I'll spray it again. Just a little bit more. Get that humidity back up too. He's exploring over here. He's in all my stuff. There's one thing I'll tell you about the lizards. They're so curious, and all they want to do is explore. So I better give them back. Hey, come here. You can tell he's getting into everything. Hi, Bubba. Say hi. Say hi. Put you back down. Move some stuff so he's not into it. And then we go to the glass. I use this. Pretty simple. Paper towel. I don't use a ton. Paper towel. Go in. You can get that half. It's kind of like you do halves at a section. You get your front glass here. You can never get it all. These things are nice, but the glass doesn't come out very easy. So I just switch it. I go to this side like this. Because I already washed that half. Put that down. So, that. Glass is clean. Glass is cleaned up. And that's pretty much how you do. His tank is clean. His water. I just move some wood chips around like this. Get his water flat. Like so. Some nice fresh water. Put that in there. Those chips back where they were. Nice and flat again. Put these pieces of wood back where they were. He's got his ball. Get your ball. Hit your ball. All the wood chips back to where they were, and just, it's like cleaning your kid's room. That's all. Come on. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going, buddy, huh? Stay up here. Yeah, stay up here. Go on the desk. So, moved everything around again. Everything was stripped the wood chips. Clean it dry again. So let's get them a little bit wet again. I miss this tank every day a little bit, but I do a cleaning like I just did, you know, a couple times a week. And I get the wood chips a little extra. He likes it when it's a little bit more humid. Keeps that dust down. Pretty simple, like that. He's clean. He's good to go. Put his glass back. He came out. He did good. We will give him a piece of chicken. He did good. A little chicken with calcium. Loves it. Get him all down. Give him another piece. He had quail yesterday, so today's a chicken day. Give him a big old full belly, and we'll get him back in his tank. We'll zoom in a little bit so we can do some feeding. Right here, Bubba. So he's back in. We'll get him back in. Say a couple pieces of chicken. We'll give him some more right now. My buddy, he's back in. Now I will. Now we pig out. Come on, buddy. Here. He loves his chicken. Hey, he had baby quail yesterday, so today we're just doing some chicken with some calcium on it. Pretty simple. Give him a nice full belly. Do one more. Want one more? I think I got one more piece. I'll just give it to him. Make him work for it. There you go, good boy. And that's pretty much it. Grab my phone. Yeah, so that's a quick rundown of Barton's tank. It's cages, 6x3x3. Bart's 7 months old. He's gonna get the whole length. He's gonna go. We're gonna be eight long. I'm gonna come out 5 and go up 6. That'll be his final tank, but that's gonna be a custom built, so he'll have the window to be able to use it. But cages 6x3, Vivarium electronics. Everything's on timer on my phone. He's got his heat panel up there. UV, double bulbs. Humidity 72 right now. Hi, buddy. Hi. You got full belly? And that's it. So, you guys ever want anything else, like, subscribe, comment. If you want to do stuff with Bart, you want to see me do some things with him, let's do it. We'll make it work. And peace. Bye, Bart.